Hey, family, and welcome back to another episode of the Melanin Wellness Podcast. It's your girl, Corey, and I am so excited to still be doing this series. This series has been transformational, as I have stated before, and I am hoping that you're finding it transformational and informative as well. We are here on the Melanin Wellness Podcast and we honor Black Wellness 365, not just during Black History Month. And, here on the Melanin Wellness Podcast, we honor the wisdom of our ancestors and we explore the natural healing practices and traditions that continue to empower and inspire our communities today. So in today's episode, we're going to be diving into the remarkable story and healing properties of an herb called mullein. And it's known by many names: candlewick, Aaron's rod, shepherd's staff, and even Jacob's staff. Mullein has been a trusted remedy for generations, from Native American herbalists to enslaved Africans. But before we begin today's episode, y'all know how we do over here. We always begin every episode with 30 seconds of gratitude. So today, I'm going to say it again. And I know I say it every episode, but it's true. I am so grateful for this platform because it is one that cannot be censored. And it is one that is helping me to reach those who want and need to hear this information. And they don't have to be in my backyard to get it. I am from the school of remembering when we did not have platforms such as this. I'm also grateful for the power of technology, because without technology, again, I would not be able to reach you wherever it is that you may be listening to the sound of my voice. I am grateful for getting up and walking around my house. I'm grateful for food. I'm grateful for waking up today. It's a little cold where I am, but that's okay. I'm still grateful that I woke up to see it be cold. And I am grateful for each and every one of you. Because there are so many other shows that you could be listening to, but you're listening to this and you're learning and you're walking this amazing journey with me. And I am so grateful for that. Now, I'm sure that was more than 30 seconds. But as I have said on this show many, many times before, when you are living in a space of gratitude, it opens the door for so much more abundance and you walking in your purpose in your life, right? The doors and opportunities and connections begin to open and you will find yourself leaning into that purpose. And also, if you enjoy the Melanin Wellness Podcast, please consider supporting me on buymeacoffee.com/the Melanin Wellness Podcast. There, you'll get access to exclusive bonus episodes that you won't find anywhere else. Probably some of them I'll be messing up on. So now let's transition into today's episode. So mullein has a long legacy as a treatment for respiratory issues. Native Americans mixed mullein with molasses to create a soothing cough remedy, while in the southern Appalachia, people often smoked its leaves to help manage asthma symptoms. Now, modern research tells us that mullein isn't effective for asthma, but its ability to soothe irritated mucous membranes has made it a time-honored remedy for sore throats, coughs, and congestion. This herb was cherished for its gentle expectorant qualities, helping to clear congestion and ease discomfort. But mullein's story does not stop there. It was also used as a tea for coughs, and even mentioned in early slave medicine as a preventative tonic for various ailments, from colds and dropsy to kidney diseases. Its versatile nature made it a staple in the herbal toolkit for those who had little choice but to rely on natural remedies alone. Modern scientific studies have validated many of Mullein's traditional uses. Researchers have noted that Mullein's soothing effect on mucous membranes supports its use in the treating of sore throats and coughs. Some studies even suggest that Mullein contains substances that can inhibit tuberculosis. Wow. However, it is important to note that while folklore promoted its use for asthma, modern evidence does not support Mullein as an effective treatment for that condition. But what remains clear is that Mullein acts as a mild expectorant and can alleviate irritation, a finding consistent with both ancient wisdom and contemporary research. Now, let's take a closer look at Mullein's role in African American slave medicine. The Works Project Administration, or WPA, narratives offer a vivid picture of how Mullein was integrated into everyday life on the plantations. Thomas Anderson from South Carolina recalled a time when young children were bathed 2 or 3 times a week with water boiled with mullein leaves and salt. This wash was believed to protect them from getting sick. After the bath, the children's skin was greased with tallow from mutton to prevent chafing and keep their skin healthy. This ritual wasn't just about hygiene, though. It was a holistic approach to health that combined the soothing properties of mullein with practical, nurturing care. These practices passed down through generations highlight how our ancestors used every natural resource available to them to support their physical well-beings, even in the harshest conditions. So when we reflect on the legacy of an herb like mullein, we see more than just an herbal remedy. We see a symbol of resilience and ingenuity. Our ancestors, facing immense adversity, turned to the natural world for healing. Mullein was just one of the many tools in their arsenal, a testament to their deep knowledge of herbal medicine and their determination to not only survive, but thrive. Today, as we continue to explore natural remedies, we honor their legacy by embracing these traditional practices, adapting them with modern insights, and ensuring that the wisdom of our forebears remains alive in our communities. It's a powerful reminder that true wellness is holistic, rooted in both nature and history. Thank you again, family, for joining me on this journey into the history of mullein and its critical role in ancestral healing. I hope today's episode inspires you to reconnect with the natural remedies that have sustained our people for generations. If you enjoyed this conversation and want to learn more about ancestral herbal medicine and Black wellness, please subscribe to the show. Leave it a 5-star review on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, iHeart, wherever you listen to your podcasts, and share this episode with your community. And remember, every time you sip a cup of herbal tea or explore natural healing methods, you're connecting with a rich legacy of resilience and wisdom. Stay rooted, stay empowered, and keep embracing the power of our ancestral healing traditions.